Hi, I'm Donald McIntyre, Operations Manager at Emerald. This is the Emerald Blockchain course, Class 19, What are Programmable Native Cryptocurrencies? Let's start with what are native cryptocurrencies. As we explained in our previous class, native cryptocurrencies are the tokens or coins that are issued in a blockchain network protocol each time there is a new block produced. Examples of these are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ethereum Classic. So, what are programmable native cryptocurrencies? Programmable native cryptocurrencies are exactly the same as native cryptocurrencies, but their networks also support smart contracts, which are decentralized software programs. This makes these cryptocurrencies programmable. Examples of these are Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. So Bitcoin is not programmable, and that is why it's not a programmable native cryptocurrency. But all these cryptocurrencies, whether they're programmable or not, are native because of what was said before. They have a base economic value to pay for blocks, transaction fees, and in the case of the programmable ones, they pay for the execution of smart contracts and dApps. What are programmable native cryptocurrencies used for? The primary use of programmable native cryptocurrencies or coins is to compensate miners or stakers in proof of work or proof of stake blockchains for their role in organizing transactions, executing smart contract code, and producing blocks. The secondary use is to pay for gas fees so that miners or stakers may include transactions in new blocks. So in non-programmable blockchains like Bitcoin, you pay just a fee for your transaction to be included. Here I mentioned gas fees because in programmable blockchains you really have to pay gas, which is a unit of computation, so that miners execute the programs and the computing code and the operating codes of the software programs that you're using. So you send the transaction to execute a dApp, and that dApp may have several operation codes or opcodes, and each one, depending on the complexity, has a different gas price. So overall, you pay all the gas price and the gas fees for that execution. Is quite different than just normal fees of non-programmable blockchains. A tertiary use case for programmable native cryptocurrencies is for the public in general to use them as money for any kind of transaction in the global economy or as a store of value for savings and investments. This includes the use of these coins inside decentralized applications or dApps, which are powered by smart contracts. So the first use that you would do or have for Ethereum and Ethereum Classic is just to buy the coin for saving, investment, for payments. That's the basic use case. Store of value payments. And this then they're used because they are a store of value and divisible and all those things. Then you can pay for block rewards, and you can pay for fees or gas fees, etc. In this case, you can also use them for decentralized applications inside apps. And for example, I explained in other classes what is wrapped Ethereum and wrapped Ethereum Classic. Once you wrap them, you can deposit them inside smart contracts, which are dApps, and use them there, like lending, borrowing, liquidity pools for decentralized exchanges, to buy NFTs, and all sorts of dApps. What is the economic value of programmable native cryptocurrencies? In their primary and secondary uses, programmable native cryptocurrencies have a fundamental economic value of serving as mediums of exchange of the coins for the new blocks created in the networks and the inclusion of new transactions and smart contract execution. These are the operation codes. This gives native cryptocurrencies a natural economic demand since inception. They have a natural economic function and thus economic demand. Similarly, as these cryptocurrencies have a base economic value in their primary and secondary uses and are divisible and transferable, like I said before, they have gained general economic value in decentralized applications and the global economy as they have become sound money for payments and settlements and gained status as stores of value. What are not programmable cryptocurrencies? Native cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Litecoin, like I said before, do not support smart contracts, therefore are not programmable native coins. On the other hand, in programmable blockchains, it is possible to write software programs to issue cryptocurrencies. The smart contract protocol used for these cases is the ERC20 standard. However, these are not native cryptocurrencies as they have no primary or secondary uses inside blockchains. We will explain the latter in our next Emerald blockchain course. So like I said before, Bitcoin, Litecoin, those kinds of coins, they are not programmable, the blockchains. They don't accept smart contracts, which are decentralized software programs, so they're not programmable. But with those software programs inside Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, which are programmable, you could create like Uniswap and stable coins and just a token for the sake of creating it with no use whatsoever, like Shiba coin, and then wrap Bitcoin, which is Bitcoin in another blockchain, and they wrap it and they create tokens inside Ethereum, for example, or Ethereum Classic, and you can transfer them inside Ethereum Classic. But these are not the native currencies because they are not used to pay for fees, gas fees, or blocks. Thank you very much for watching this Emerald blockchain course, class 19, with our programmable native cryptocurrencies. And please remember to download emerald.cash, Emerald wallet at emerald.cash/download. Thank you very much.